Realme launched its new budget-friendly smartphone under C series in India called Realme C71, with AI features. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme C71 features a tall 6.74-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate and up to 563 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Uni SoC T7250 chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 or 128 GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 2 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Realme C71 sports a 13-megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture, along with the unspecified secondary lens, and for selfies it has 5-megapixel camera under the U-shaped notch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 6,300 mAh battery, with 15 watts charging support, and it runs on Android 15, based on Realme UI skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it is also military standard 810H compliant for shock resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 167.2 by 76.6 by 7.94 millimeters, and it weighs around 201 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme C71 has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 7,699 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 8,699 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in obsidian black and sea blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme C71 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.